Welcome to Shimoku. In today's data-driven world, staying ahead means leveraging data for insightful decisions. This is where Shimoku comes in, a pioneering platform that represents the future of data applications. Today we are going to present our free product build on top of our SDK, the Facebook Ads template. This template is designed to monitor the performance of ads on Facebook, providing advertisers with an efficient way to evaluate and improve their advertising campaigns. Let's take a closer look at the dashboard. First up, we have the header section. This is where we write the title of our dashboard. We can customize it as much as we want. Now we have 4 main KPIs or key performance indicators: ad spend, cost per thousand, cost per click, and click-through rate. These are displayed using clear numeric indicators that provide a quick snapshot of the advertising performance on the platform. The versus previous year comparison gives a temporal perspective on the data, helping you to gauge the effectiveness of your ad spending over time. These KPIs are essential for advertisers to make data-driven decisions and optimize their Facebook advertising strategy. Next up, the ad reach section displays a stacked bar chart tracking monthly ad impressions for 2 campaigns. The height of the bars reflects the volume of impressions, providing a clear comparison of campaign performance over the year. Finally, let's talk about the ad clicks graph. This section presents a line chart illustrating the number of clicks on ads throughout the year. Each point represents the total clicks in a given month, showing trends and identifying peaks and troughs in user engagement with the ads. Now let's check the code. The main function is where we initialize and plot the dashboard. This script initializes a Shimoku client and then creates and plots a new dashboard. Within this function, it loads environment variables from an NV file to securely access your credentials. You get these credentials when you register on Shimoku. Remember to keep your credentials safe. It then initializes a Shimoku client with an API token and a universe ID and specifies a workspace. This method serves as the constructor for the board class. It establishes properties such as the name of the board and initializes the DFS variable by loading the CSV data in data frame format. This method transforms the data in the DFS variable. It handles all necessary data transformations required for calculating key metrics before plotting them on the dashboard. This method uses the overview class from the Paths Overview module to generate and display a plot for the Facebook ads data. This method acts as the constructor for the overview class. It sets fundamental properties like the name of the menu path and initializes the order variable to a default value of 0. This is the main function responsible for plotting the entire overview page. It sequentially calls other plotting methods to display different sections of the page. The plot header function creates a header for a dashboard section titled Facebook Ads Dashboard. It generates a HTML structure using a beautiful indicator function. The plot KPI indicators function creates and displays an indicators section on the dashboard, using configurations from the indicator data array for each indicator. The plot KPI ad reach function generates a stacked bar chart. It organizes ad impressions by month and name, displayed in this chart with different colors for each ad. The plot KPI ad clicks function plots the number of clicks on ads throughout the year in a line chart, with each point representing a different month. And that concludes our Facebook ads template. It's remarkable how simple it is to create such an insightful dashboard. Don't forget to visit our GitHub repository there. You'll find all the code we discussed today, along with much more to explore and experiment with. Dive in, play around with the code, and discover the amazing things you can create. Also, make sure to follow us on our social media channels. Stay tuned for more updates, tools, and tips to help you unlock the full potential of your data with Shimoku. Thank you for watching and happy coding!